Robo Racer is an awesome construction toy for kids ages 8 and up. It comes with complete instructions to build your own racer and then transform it into a robot. The 47 click and snap components are brightly colored and make it fun for kids to snap together and then rotate the pieces into place. Some of the benefits of Robo Racer: kids will develop hand-eye coordination along with fine and gross motor skills. They will learn to identify, sort, and match vehicle parts. They will be able to interpret visual instructions and develop visualization and spatial thinking. With just a few twists and turns, you can turn the racer into a robot.